Good evening. Let's start the Oxford Syllabus of Mathematics, Book 4, D4 for O levels, chapter number 4, Vectors, exercise 4A, question number 1. Find the magnitude of each of the following vectors. These are the values of the vectors and we have to find out their magnitude. Let's start the question. As this is 4A, question number 1. Find the magnitude. Let's start with the A part. This is 3 and 4. In vector, this is equals to x and y. This value is x and this value is y. It means x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 4. And their magnitude is, suppose this is a, the name of the vector is a, so the magnitude of the a is under root x square plus y square. By putting the value, we have 3 square plus 4 square, which is equals to under root 9 plus 16, which is equals to under root 25, and root 25 is equals to 5. So the magnitude of the vector A is 5 units. This is the answer of the first vector. Now B part. B part we have -5 and 12. Here x is equals to -5 and y is equals to 12. For the magnitude, suppose this is B vector is equals to under root x square plus y square, which is equals to root -5 square plus 12 square, which is equals to root -5 square is 25, minus plus, it will become positive 25, plus 12 square is 144, which is equals to 25 plus 144 is equals to 169, and root 169 is equals to 13 units. Now C part. Here is -7 -2. The values are x is equals to -7 and y is equals to -2, and the magnitude of the C part or vector C, we have root x square plus y square, which is equals to root -7 square plus -2 square, which is equals to root 7 square is 49, minus plus -2 square is 4. Minus plus. root 49 plus 4 is 53, and root 53 is equals to 7.28, which is equals to 7.28 units. Now D part. Zero and minus 6 by 1 over 2. Here x is equals to 0 and y is equals to minus 6 by 1 over 2. Now vector D is equals to root 0 square plus bracket minus 6 by 1 over 2 square, which is equals to 0 square is equals to 0, minus will be vanished with the square, minus minus plus, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 13, it will become plus 13 over 2 square, which is equals to 13 divided by 2, 13 divided by 2, we have 6.5, so it will become 6.5 square. Square is 42.25 and root of the 42.25 is 6.5 is equals to root 42.25, which is equals to 6.5 units. Now E part is 8 and 0. Here x is equals to 8 and y is equals to 0. So E, suppose the name of the vector is E, so the E is root 8 square plus 0 square, which is equals to 8 square is 64 plus 0 square is 0, so it will become root 64, which is equals to 8. As you can see, root 64 is equals to 8 units. This is the solution of all the parts of the vectors. If you need any help, any type of query, then let me know, and if you like my video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.